Okay, solve by factoring. So we're going to need to use the AC method on this. It's already equal to 0, which is always the first step. We have ax squared plus bx plus c. So a times c on top is going to be 2 times negative 2. And b on bottom is negative 3. Okay, so two numbers that multiply to give negative 4, add to give negative 3. It's just going to be 1 and 4, and 2 and 2. And of course, we need to have a 3 separate the distance, which 2 and 2 is not going to give you 3 in any way when you add them up. Because it has to be negative 4, that means it has to be 1 times negative 4, is negative 4. And when you add them, you get negative 3. So it has to be 1 and negative 4. Okay, so we're going to get 2b squared. I'm going to bring down the first term. Then add 1 from this times the central variable b. Then this minus 4 times the central variable b. And then bring down the last term. So once again, I broke up the middle term into these two, brought down the last term. Okay, now I can factor by grouping. Now the first two I can take out of b. 2b plus 1. And then here I can take out a negative, since this number is negative, 2 from both of those things. That's going to leave me with a 2b here. And then plus 1. So I'm dividing out a negative 2. And now I can factor out this 2b plus 1 from both of these terms. So 2b plus 1. I'm left with b minus 2 equals 0. Now the only way this can equal 0 is if either one of these factors equals 0. So 2b plus 1 equals 0, or b minus 2 equals 0. Okay, subtract 1. I can add 2 here. I get 2b equals negative 1, and then b equals 2. There's my first answer. And all I have to do is divide by 2, and I get b equals negative 1/2. That is my second answer.